Welcome to Practical Doomsday Prepper. My name is John, and yes, I am wearing a mask. I don't show my face because this channel is not about me. It isn't about who I am. I'm not here to impress anyone with my personal story or my past. I'm here for one reason only, to help you protect your family when the world stops playing by the rules. I spent years of my life in places where systems fell apart, where help wasn't coming, and where survival depended on readiness, calm thinking, and the ability to adapt under pressure. I served this country overseas in combat, working in environments where every decision mattered. I learned what it means to stay level-headed in chaos, to protect the people around me, and to operate when everything is breaking down. When I came home, I continued that mission in a different way, leading large teams, managing crises, and helping communities in some of the hardest situations you can imagine. Between military service and high-level leadership roles in civilian worlds, I've seen disaster, breakdown, and recovery from every angle. But this channel isn't about glory, rank, medals, or titles. I stay anonymous because it's not about me, it's about you. I'm not here to scare you, I'm here to prepare you and your family for a moment we all hope never comes. Whether it's a natural disaster, a civil emergency, a grid failure, or a worldwide event that impacts daily life, one truth never changes. The prepared stay safer than the unprepared. This channel will teach you the fundamentals every household should know, including how to secure your home, how to build a realistic family evacuation plan, a family plug-in plan, what gear actually matters and what's a waste of money, how to stay calm when pressure rises, and simple practical steps to build real resilience. I'm using my experience not to show off, but to help you build the confidence and preparedness that every American deserves. I am not left or right. I believe we are all Americans. And this is for all of you. Because when the world gets unpredictable, your family's safety should never be left to chance. This is Practical Doomsday Prepper. Stay ready, and let's get to work.